Okay, guys, today I'm going to explain you the SMC, which one smart money concept, how it's working, and actually how you have to use it. Yes. So, as you can see right here, I will put my screen. Where did I enter and where did I close my position and took my profit more than $30,000? This is simple how you have to trade. First of all, why the market go down? Because the USA and Iran again has conflict and they didn't deal, so that's why it's go down. The second one, right here, you can see order block, but right here you can see liquidity. So most people it's not using any idea about liquidity. So what I wait to market just take the liquidity, and after I'm gonna enter from down. This is right here. You can see clear order blocks. Liquidity sweep. You can see liquidity sweep. I'm going to show you right here. When the order block wallet, when you can see before it's go up or before it's go down, it will take liquidity. So after liquidity, it will be impulse. Right here, you can see. You can say, oh, here also you can see order block, but you cannot see any liquidity sweep. And you cannot see it's go more down and then work out that liquidity, which one you can see right here. And it didn't go to retest our order block and it's go just up. If it's go down, so it will be also wallet. But it didn't work. So I expect to wait until liquidity sweep right here. You can see, and after you can see here a retesting. 1, 2. After I saw this one and I saw it's going up with the impulse, I can see the bullish going well. I took a trade from here and I just wait to take my profit. Right here, you can see order block. Correct? I didn't hit. If you go more, you can see right here your order block. This is our resistance. This is why I took my TP right here and made more than $30,000. This is basic how you can make your trade easy. If you want to know about it more, just subscribe. Link in bio, my Telegram channel where I'm giving free signal and I'm explaining everything. See you later, guys.